Divorce is often synonymous with stress, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine a smoother process by keeping things amicable. Conflict is a major stressor. Maintaining peace can ease the journey significantly. Consider a couple who switched to our flat fee service, saving time and money. They avoided the pitfalls of traditional legal battles, finalizing their divorce swiftly and amicably. Paperwork errors can lead to delays and frustration. At divorce661.com, we handle all documentation, ensuring smooth processing and avoiding unnecessary setbacks. Take, for example, a client who faced multiple rejections. We stepped in, corrected the errors, and finalized their divorce in weeks, not months. Court appearances aren't necessary for amicable divorces. Our service offers remote handling and e-filing, making the process efficient and stress-free. With flat fee pricing, you eliminate unexpected costs. Our approach ensures you avoid the courtroom drama and focus on what truly matters. Divorce is temporary. Your future is what matters. Stay organized, prioritize your well-being, and seek professional support when needed to ease the transition. By choosing divorce661.com, you'll experience a stress-free divorce process. Contact us today for a free consultation and take the first step towards a brighter future.